क्या कभी आपने सोचा है कि आपका बच्चा सडनली डोर स्लैम करता है, आपसे आंखें नहीं मिलाता है, आपसे बात नहीं करता है? इसका पीछे क्या रीज़न है? हम पेरेंट एक थॉट प्रोसेस में रहते हैं कि ये बदतमीज़ी है, बच्चा हमारे साथ हमारी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं कर रहा है। तो डियर पेरेंट, ये सिर्फ़ बदतमीज़ी नहीं है, इसका एक मैसेज होता है कि ही नीड हेल्प, ही नीड योर अटेंशन, ही इज़ हैविंग सो मच इन हिज़ ब्रेन। Door slam or avoiding eye contact are silent sign of that your child needs something and your teen wanted to say but he is not able to say because he doesn't feel good. He need to be heard, he need a space and they don't know how to express it. Here are five simple reasons I'll tell you. Feeling just over controlling environment, maybe lack of emotional outlet, or maybe stress from school, peers, social, or anywhere, or maybe they are wanting independence. Dear parents, instead of shouting back, give them space to cool down, listen without interrupt, and teach them the calm space. And next time, if your child slam the door, don't react, just connect, take a pause, and follow me for more if you want to learn parenting.